What up, guys? I'm Appliance Repair Tech from Trinidad and Tobago, and Fix Fling is me. Now we have this one here. Yeah. It's not a mirror, dog. Oh gosh. Right. So I want to talk to you today about this TGU shutdown for maintenance. I personally am a big fan that they actually doing preventative maintenance because I'm an advocate for that. Believe it or not, better you shut it down before it shut you down. Like what happened? Whatever. Right. So I'ma just clear the air for those who was asking, because a lot of people thinking that it is a guaranteed blackout. I'm not saying it's a guarantee because I talked to a friend who work in power gen, and he was like, dude, them going and support the grid, so there is not a high possibility, although there's always a possibility. Anybody want him? Anybody want him? I swear to God. Yeah, because of his size, they could get half off his size. Right, moving on. So the concept behind it is that they're gonna do some maintenance. Power gen is going to have the load supplied for the country. What we could do to assist avoiding that overload is very, very, very simple. On that day, all you take it real simple in life. All you go back to the old time days.
Wash your hand.
So minimize your AC use, right? If you have any washing or anything to do, try not to do it in them hours, right? Basically, as much lights off as you could leave off. If you guys want to on that particular time, run a few battery lights instead of your natural house current. Definitely try not to use all your dryers, right? Anything that is high voltage or anything like that, try not to have it running. I'm not going to tell all you take off all your freezers or whatever it is. That wouldn't be applicable. But at the same time, you want to minimize all your current use, right? The more... No music, right? That depends on if it's headphones, right? Earbuds, right? I think we reached the stage where people should start looking to battery banks to charge their phones. I mean, it's a nice device to have because it charges more than your phone, charge your earbuds and a lot of other things. Plus, there are these 5-volt lights that you could get that plugs into USB. It works well as a added source of light, right? So you guys could use that and try to maximize that usage instead of the 110 in your house that converts to 5 volts anyhow, right? Yeah, basically that's it. Just try to budget how much current you're using as minimum as possible, just for one night, I would like to believe, and that will help us not have a total shutdown, right? As much doors as you could open, breeze you could open, whatever it is. Let's try to keep that going just at least for that time. And again, it's starting 10 o'clock. So I'd like to believe by 10 o'clock is when we should be winding down. I would like to believe everybody have a different lifestyle. When everybody winding down, probably watching a movie or something like that. If you want to watch a movie, this is the best time your devices will come in handy. Not really the TV, but a laptop already have battery power. Your phone already have battery power. We can rely on those devices. But it's just minimize all the use, and let's see if we could pass through this together without having a nationwide blackout, because people, they don't want to give up their standard of living for a few hours. I'm just saying. Alright guys, enjoy your day, be safe, enjoy.